So 2020 has been a pretty weird year. I think it's been kind of a weird year for everybody. And I've been a hairdresser for 36 years, and due to the pandemic, I haven't been able to do my job. The salon's been closed. I am high risk because I have a couple of heart conditions, so I won't be going back anytime soon, even though the salon is now reopened. So I've kind of spent this time doing things around the house and got this studio finally set up. We've called it the Pandemic Art Studio, and I've been making all kinds of paintings and things, crafting stuff, learned how to sew, made masks. I'm looking forward to making some dolls, some creepy girls. And I signed up for this YouTube channel a while back, but I really don't know what I'm doing, and I haven't done what I wanted to with it. So since I've got time, because of the pandemic, I'm going to be working harder on doing more videos of me doing art, maybe some tutorials. I know there'll be a learning curve, but the videos will get better and better as we go. I'm always doing something fun. And so, yeah, I just wanted to kind of check in with everybody. Recently, my Facebook account of 11 years was deleted for no reason. I'm fighting it, but I really don't have much hope that I'll get my account back, which also means 11 years of my pages for my art and my punk rock page, which is gardening and cooking and life hacks and stuff. So I'm looking towards other venues to build my following back up and my pages back up and have a online area to display my art and to connect with people, and I'm really looking forward to it. You know, I know there's going to be a learning curve and it's not going to be perfect for a while, but hopefully it's interesting, and I'd love to hear your comments and thoughts. If you see something that you like, or you have a suggestion for some sort of art that you'd like to see me do. I do a lot of fan art. I love to do paintings of Tank Girl. I just recently did one of Cliff from Doom Patrol. I just uploaded a video of a time lapse of me doing that. It's kind of neat. I came up with a new idea for art. Because of the pandemic, we've been getting a lot of deliveries, and I'm really big on reusing, recycling, and renewing, upcycling things. And so we had all these boxes, and as I was breaking them down to put them in the recycling bin, which I know doesn't really get recycled 9 times out of 10, I thought, well, why don't I use this as a canvas for my art? So I sketched out a outline of the area I wanted to paint, and I used an X-Acto knife to cut that out. And then well, here's an example of one. This is a girl that I'm working on. So as you can see, I cut out and left the flat area that I want to put the paint on. And then I left the corrugate behind, as you know, and it gives kind of an interesting texture. I've got quite a few that I'm working on. Guess who this is? Hopefully we won't be seeing much of him anytime soon. Let's see, there's another one over here. Sorry to go off camera. Whoa! This is one I'm doing of Crazy Jane. I'm going to be working on that later today. The one that I put up was Cliff from Doom Patrol, like I said. And there's one more that I want to show you that I really like. This is the first one I did. Hold on. Very proud of the way this one came out. I really like it. All the details. And it just adds texture to the painting, and I like how I kind of took it off the side of the cardboard. I will be putting things like this up for sale at some point. I haven't found where I want to sell my art yet. If anyone has suggestions for that, I'd love to hear them down in comments. Anyway, I'm going to try and do at least a short video every day, since my social network has been cut off. So I'm looking to build a new social network. So I'm going to try and do a video a day. Some of them will be time lapses, some will be tutorials, but I'm going to try to do something every day, because the more you do something, the better you get at it. And I do believe that everything happens for a reason. I have been dissatisfied with Facebook for a while. I've had Facebook bans for really dumb stuff. One time I was banned for 7 days because I shared a song that I liked off of SoundHound, and I guess the album cover had a naked woman on it, which I was unaware of, and I got a 7-day ban for that. There's been a lot of that happening this year on Facebook, and I know that they've been trying to combat hate speech and organizations and stuff like that, but I don't fall into that category. And it's very frustrating because there's really no customer support at Facebook and no way to be heard. So I'm kind of on a mission with that too. I contacted Michael Finney at 7 on Your Side, which is a local Bay Area news affiliate, and he does consumer advocacy. And we are consumers of Facebook. You know, we may not pay for the service and they're a private company, but we are their customers. They should listen to us, and we should have recourse when things happen like bans or our accounts are disabled. I went over to Twitter this week and I've seen the hashtag Facebook disabled me all over the place, and all kinds of people like me who are artists who now don't have access to their pages, and it's very upsetting. And it's kind of interesting because I tried to upload my ID. They asked me to upload my ID to prove who I was. And when I tried to upload it through the app, it wouldn't allow me to. It said that it wasn't the right format, yet there was no way to upload any other kind of format. So it's kind of interesting because I've seen a lot of articles lately about Facebook doing mass purges of fake accounts. And at first I thought, hey, that's great, you know, because these bots and stuff that are trying to affect our elections are out there, you know, and we need to stop that. But now that it's happened to me, I wonder how many of these accounts really are fake, or if it's just an AI algorithm or something at Facebook that's flagging stuff, and we have no way to, like I said, have recourse and fight it, really. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's try and keep it positive. So, on a positive note, one door shuts, another door opens. So I'm looking forward to building something here on YouTube. I'll be doing some, I don't know if I can live stream yet here. I'd like to live stream because I'd like to interact with people. I think you have to have 1,000 followers, and I'm nowhere near that. I think I have 42, which kind of excites me because 42 is my favorite number. If you're a Douglas Adams fan, you will know why. If not, you should be a Douglas Adams fan. I love his books. Anyway, that's it for today. At least for now, because I'm going to go make breakfast burritos. Maybe I'll do a video of that. I don't know. All right. Have a great day, all.